Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can activate Meta AI on WhatsApp. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get started with Meta AI on WhatsApp so that you can be able to use it to carry out as many tasks as you want. Meta AI is a new feature on WhatsApp that allows WhatsApp users to interact with AI in a conversational manner. Some of the uses of Meta AI includes answering questions, generating text, generating AI images, translation of languages, offering suggestions, chatting, language learning, learning new concepts, brainstorming, finding new information, setting reminders, entertainment, and so on. So guys, there are so many things you can get done with Meta AI. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can get started with Meta AI, how you can activate Meta AI on your WhatsApp. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your WhatsApp to open it. So guys, let me tap on my WhatsApp right away. So guys, now you can see I'm on my WhatsApp account. So guys, if you look clearly, you're going to see the Meta AI feature, the new feature which is called Meta AI. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it, and you can also see there at the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, that's the new Meta AI. So guys, if you don't have this Meta AI in your WhatsApp, that means that you're not using the latest version of WhatsApp. So guys, you need to update your WhatsApp, and for you to do that, you have to go over to your Play Store, and that's if you're using an Android device. Then you go over to your App Store if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device. You have to update your WhatsApp for you to be able to find this Meta AI feature on your WhatsApp. So guys, once you've updated your WhatsApp and you can now see the Meta AI icon, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the Meta AI icon. So guys, can see there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here, ask Meta AI anything. So guys, like I said, Meta AI can do so many things for you, like I listed earlier on at the beginning of this video. So guys, can do so many things with Meta AI. So guys, now for you to activate this Meta AI on WhatsApp, first of all, you have to try asking Meta AI a question. So guys, for you to ask a question, you have to tap on where it is written message down there. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. What you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written continue. You can see it down there. By tapping on continue, you are agreeing to the privacy policy and terms and conditions of Meta AI. So guys, before I do that, let me get to read what is written here. You can see what's written there, ask Meta AI anything. You can see that they listed 3 features of Meta AI. You can see the first one, get answers to any questions, see recommendations, find information and learn new skills. The second one, express yourself, generate unique images to share with anyone you want. Then the third one, personal messages stay private. Meta may use your AI messages to improve AI quality. Personal messages are never sent to Meta, can't be read, and remain end-to-end encrypted. So guys, that's it. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see we have successfully activated the Meta AI on our WhatsApp. Now we can get answers to any question, we can generate images as well, we can do so many things. So guys, let me go ahead now to ask Meta AI a question. So I show you guys an example. So what am I going to ask now? So guys, let me ask this question. Give me the top 10 digital advertising platform in the world. So guys, let me type it in. So guys, now you can see my question, give me the top 10 digital advertising platform in the world. So guys, I need answers to this question. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see send. You can see there on the right hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see I've sent my question. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Meta AI is going to respond now with an answer. Wow guys, can see the response. You can see the response right here. Still giving us the answer. So guys, now this is the answer to the question. Now let me get to read it out loud. So guys, now you can see here are the top 10 digital advertising platforms in the world. The first one is Facebook, second one Instagram, third one YouTube, fourth one TikTok, the fifth one Twitter, the sixth LinkedIn, the seventh Google Ads, the eighth one is Google Display Ads, the ninth one is Snapchat, while the 10th one is Pinterest. So guys, now you can see this is the answer. So guys, now one more thing, you can also use Meta AI to generate and create AI images. So guys, now for you to generate AI images, you have to give Meta AI your text prompt. Your text prompt is the description of the image that you want. You have to describe the image that you want in words. So guys, now let me do that right away. Let me tap on message again. Let me just describe the image that I want. Let me give the description right away. So guys, let me just type in this text prompt. Let me just type, give me an image of an African king sitting on his throne with his wife, the queen. So guys, let me type it in. So guys, now I can see my text prompt. Give me the image of an African king sitting on his throne in a palace with his wife, the queen, sitting next to him. So guys, now you can see this is the text prompt. This is the description of the image I want. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on send. So let me tap on send now. So guys, now you can see my text prompt has been sent. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Meta AI is going to generate our AI image for us. Wow guys, can see Meta AI has generated our AI image. So guys can see it is looking so cool. So guys, let me tap on it so you see it clearly. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the AI image, you can see the king and you can see the queen sitting next to him. So guys, you can see the AI image, the resolution is high, the quality is good. So guys, now you can see this how you can actually generate AI image using the Meta AI on WhatsApp, and this is how you can actually get answers to your question using Meta AI on WhatsApp. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can activate Meta AI on your WhatsApp, and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.